Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you read by the title, we're going to be doing a 5-minute everyday makeup tutorial. Now y'all, I thought about doing this because 5 minutes is like a very short time, but we're going to try it. We're going to do it. It's not necessarily a trend that's going on. I just thought it would be nice to try it to see if I could do it. But anyways, y'all, before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We are less than 50 subscribers away, y'all, from 1K. Like, it's so surreal, but thank you all for who's following me, who's supporting me, everything, y'all. So y'all, if you haven't, subscribe to the channel, join the family, and support your girl. I do have my timer right here, y'all. We're gonna set her to 5 minutes, obviously, and we're gonna get right into it. So let's go ahead, set the timer, and get going. All right, y'all, so the first thing we're gonna do is, since I'm not gonna wear any foundation, I'm gonna go with my Belief moisturizer right here. This is the True Cream one. Now, I love this for my days where I'm gonna be doing like concealers and blushes, but no foundation, because my skin is dry and I don't want to waste a primer when I can just use regular, you know, moisturizer. So that's exactly what we're gonna do, just to hydrate the face. Ugh. I did not expect this bang to get in my way, so like, let's put her back right there. Oh, and continue on with the rest of the makeup. I'm gonna use concealer, like I said, y'all, so I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer and put in my T-zone like I always do, just here, because I'm gonna have concealer, setting powder, anything of that nature, y'all. So definitely worth still make sure I put some type of primer under my makeup. All right, so what I normally do, y'all, I normally go in and I do my brows first. So we're gonna slick them up. I'm not gonna do too much, y'all. Just fill them in a little bit, just so they can have some type of, you know, color to it, but nothing too much. Just a light little feel, just some color. Yeah, like that. Now we're gonna go in and do concealers, obviously. So I'm gonna go in and take my NARS Creamy Concealer, put them in my normal spots, just here. A little bit there, a little bit there, nothing too much. And while that's sit, I'm actually gonna go in and bronze, y'all, with my Fenty Beauty cream bronzer. This is not the cream one. Oh crap, it's the powder. I don't have the cream on me, so we're just gonna use powder. So I normally do cream, y'all, because it's easier to blend. Like y'all see, like kind of how hard that is to blend, and then I gotta correct it now. Ridiculous. This is probably gonna be a fail. I'm not gonna hold y'all. This is probably gonna be a fail, but yeah. So, y'all, we're gonna go in with concealer, blend that out here, make our way up there, and just like make sure it's getting everywhere, up under the eyes. I have a less than 1:30, y'all. I did not plan this at all. I did not plan this out great. Okay, then here, and then down here, and like I'm gonna bring some here, y'all, just so the center of the face can have some sort of color. All right, so we're gonna do some blush, y'all. Just take my e.l.f. Camo Blush and like 2 dabs on each side. Okay, and then we're gonna take the actual brush and just tap. And then I have 15 seconds. Lip liner, I just messed up. We're gonna do this lip gloss, NYX lip gloss. Yeah, and we have a couple of seconds, y'all. Gonna use a little bit of mascara, just a little bit on the lashes, just so we can see that they're there. I'm not gonna do my bottom because I'm not gonna have time, just the top. Oh y'all, I forgot to set my under eyes. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Just gonna take the excess. Oh y'all. Alright y'all, so I'm actually out of time. My alarm just went off. I am out of time, but I'm technically done. So yeah. So I'm just gonna go back and still set up under the under eyes. That was fast. Like those 5 minutes are very, very fast. But I just thought that would be cute to do like a quick little 5-minute makeup routine, like without any foundation. So like, yeah. So I do want to like touch up some things, y'all. Obviously my brows, I don't like the way they look. So we're gonna touch them up, see how they are. Yeah. All right, everyone, so the makeup is done. Like y'all, 5 minutes. I thought it would have been possible probably if I already had my hair pinned back and I already moisturized the face, but I didn't. So this is what we have now. If I had extra time, y'all, I actually would have go in and went in with my Sephora collection blush right here, y'all. This was in the shade Charmed. Now this is a pretty color. I do have some glow already to my skin, but this would have brought it some more because it has like a little bit of shimmer in it. So yeah, like the makeup look is cute. Like, don't hold me, it is cute, but a little bit more time I would have been better. So like 5 minutes is pushing it, but I feel like it still came out cute. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think, because yeah, this is still cute. Not mad at it. I just wish I had a little bit more time. So should I try maybe like the 10-minute one next and actually use foundation, y'all, so I won't be cheating y'all? Anyways, y'all, once again, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we're on the road to 1K. We are less than 50 subscribers away. So if you haven't already, like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below, and I will see y'all Sunday with a new video. Y'all, I'm over here finna close out. I didn't even realize that I didn't even touch my nose. So we're gonna touch the nose, give it a little bit of definition, nothing too much. Like, yeah, that's enough, because I don't want it to look bare, because I really said forget my nose. Like, that's tough. And we're gonna like take some of the concealer and like do that. So yeah, that gave it some definition, right? Or did they really not do anything? Y'all let me know down below if they did anything to my nose, but it looks kind of cute. Kind of. All right, and now that is it for this video, y'all. So see y'all Sunday with another video.